Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Embark on a captivating journey as we delve into the world of modern bookshelf ideas that redefine the essence of contemporary design. In this exploration, we unveil a collection of trendsetting concepts that seamlessly blend functionality with aesthetic appeal. These modern bookshelves are not just storage units but artistic expressions that elevate the ambience of any space, from sleek and minimalist design to bold and innovative configuration. Each idea presents a unique approach to organizing and displaying books and decor. Discovering the use of cutting-edge materials and inventive shapes that make these bookshelves focal point in any room. The interplay of form and function is evident as we showcase how these designs cater to various needs, from smaller spaces to expensive living ideas. Our video guides you through the nuances of selecting the perfect modern bookshelves, offering insights into how these pieces can transform your home decor. Whether you're an avid reader, a collector of curiosities, or someone with an eye for modern aesthetics, our channel is a treasure love of inspiration. Join us in exploring these trend-setting bookshelf ideas and unlock the potential to redefine the way you showcase and organizing your cherished possessions. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Designs channel.